Nigeria, by London School of Economics, by Harvard Business School, by Cambridge University, by Oxford University. He's a man that has gone down Togo and is presenting a development formula that will take you from a developing nation to a developed nation, from a third-class nation to a first-class nation. Is that not the man you want? Give me Obi! Give me Obi! Let me tell you, in 2023, you will look like that candidate. Corruption, stealing Nigerian money in the name of party, you and your children, you will continue to steal. God forbid. If you vote for Obi, hey, you and your children, anywhere you go, people will love you in your anywhere your children go, people will love them. You don't see us they run for that. You don't like that thing. I go vote for her. Let me, I be like her. If you have your BBC, raise up your hand.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.